Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new display model we've got here at Grantham in the Coachman Acadia Xcel 875 2021 model. So here's a good look at that particular 8-foot wide twin axle caravan with transverse island bed and rear bathroom. You can see from the front there the new 2021 Coachman badge. You've got a left-hand side locker box for your step, your electric hookup cable, light items, just being careful and cautious of nose weight. You've got your space on the right there for two 6 kg gas bottles, and also one of the great features for the Acadia range for 2021 is the ATC trailer control system is now standard. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, an exterior 240 volt socket, a wet locker box located there, and also the beautiful Acadia logo going all the way down the side. You've also got a rear access hatch to underneath the transverse island bed. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a very generous sized kitchen work surface with work surface extension. You've got a beautiful finish on the cabinetry throughout the caravan with two-tone wood effects and also a chrome trim. An easy usable height microwave just above the oven with a medium-sized Hecky light in the kitchen area and a large Hecky light in the lounge, coupled with a panoramic sunroof, creating a fantastic feeling of space and light. You've got the Acadia fabric scheme that you see here, chosen for the 2021, which is carried over from 2020, so remained the same. Front chest area here with short pull-out table and the PIR sensor located in the bottom right there for the alarm. You've got a 240 volt socket located down the front. This particular model benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating system with the command centre above the habitation door. And then on a sideboard here, you've got your first television point in this caravan and also plenty of storage underneath and above. So stepping forwards to the central area, you've got a combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric with pan storage located underneath. You've got a beautifully tall slimline fridge freezer with storage underneath as we step through to the bedroom. You've got a pull across concertina blind here which pulls across to give some privacy in the bedroom area if you need it. Wardrobe on the right hand side of the bed, and the bed currently down up in the day position, so as you can see, ample amount of space to be able to move around to get to the bathroom. Your second television point is positioned just here in the front left hand side of the bedroom area. A beautiful chrome finish on the bathroom door and that two-tone wood locker effect going throughout with the matching headboard at the back there matching the fabric scheme. A very generous sized individual shower cubicle with a high quality of finish on the sink and a nice large vanity mirror with storage underneath. Also benefiting from the Aldi wet central heated towel rail with some robe hooks above and dotted mood lighting dotted throughout the caravan. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Acadia Xcel 875 2021 model has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour, and should you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us, and we look forward to the opportunity to do business with you. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.